Today's small group activity is washing your hands the right way. It's very important to keep our hands clean, especially when there are diseases and things that can harm us or make us sick. So today we're going to learn how to properly wash our hands the right way. There are 6 steps. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps. So we'll do first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. 6 will be our last step. So first, we need to wet our hands. Second, we need to use soap. Third, we need to scrub all over our hands. Lots of bubbles. Fourth, we need to rinse well or wash all the soap away. 5, we need to dry our hands. 6, we need to turn off the faucet or the water with a towel or a paper towel. So let's get started. Our first step, if you remember, was to wet our hands. So I'm going to turn on the water. That way I can get my hands wet before we start. I like my water hot. Some of my friends like their water cold. But cold water does not kill germs very well. So if you don't like it too hot, try using warm water. So first, I got my hands all wet. Now, I can add the soap. Now we need to scrub all over. This is the part where we get the top, the bottoms, in between our fingers, our fingertips. Do you see those bubbles? We got to make plenty of bubbles. If you don't have bubbles, then you're not getting clean. So keep rubbing those bubbles. And while we make our bubbles, we count to 20 because we need 20 seconds to kill the germs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoa, look at those bubbles. Lots. So now, our fourth step is to rinse well. So I'm going to wash all of the bubbles off of my hands. So now that all the bubbles are gone, I'm going to grab a paper towel first before I turn my water off. I'm only going to use one paper towel so I don't waste paper because we know that paper comes from trees and I don't want to kill too many trees. So I'm going to dry off with one towel, then I'm going to use the towel to turn off the faucet for our 6th or last step. That way my clean hands isn't touching the faucet. So friends, what do you think? Germ-free. So this is the greatest way to keep your hands clean and keep your family and your friends safe during this COVID-19 pandemic. Make sure you're washing your hands the right way.